Welcome to the best picks. The best teak cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts who take pride in their teak furniture. Maintaining the beauty and longevity of teak wood requires regular cleaning and care, and choosing the right teak cleaner can make all the difference in preserving its rich color and natural oils, preventing damage from mold, mildew, and other environmental factors, and ensuring your outdoor furniture remains a stunning centerpiece for years to come. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Teak Oil. It restores the beauty of old, weathered wood, giving a long-lasting, natural golden brown finish. See how it revitalizes your furniture and brings back its original charm. This high-quality oil protects your wooden items from damaging UV rays and helps prevent drying, warping, and splitting, both indoors and out. It's suitable for teak and other hardwoods. Use it to seal unfinished teak or to maintain it over time. It creates a water-resistant seal, replacing oils lost due to weathering. Perfect for garden furniture and more. It's a clear oil with a traditional recipe of pure tung and linseed oil. This safe, non-toxic oil dries to a beautiful matte finish. It's quick drying and simple to use. Just apply it with a lint-free cloth, rub it in, and wipe off any excess. You'll see instant results. We're here to help with any questions you may have. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. We're confident you'll love the results. What we like. It's a natural oil that's easy to apply and gives a long-lasting, beautiful finish. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to protect your wood and enhance its natural beauty, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value natural ingredients and a hassle-free application process. What people say. After several years out in a covered balcony, sun, heat, rain, my table looks brand new. Easy to apply. I also bought the lint-free cloths. I applied a coat of this oil before we got a ton of rain on our outdoor furniture. I think it made a huge difference in how well our furniture held up. Our furniture is made of teak and it is lighter in color, but the oil didn't make it a slightly darker, richer color, which I did not mind. The set now looks so much better. Gaining a little confidence, I proceeded with working on another set of table and chairs that's starting to show a bit age. It also came out well. With even more confidence I proceeded with working on a brand new table that looked just a little dull. I'm pleased with the result. Number 4. Star Brite Premium Teak Kit. Give your teak a new lease on life with our complete care solution. It's designed to clean, brighten, and protect, making it look its best. It's perfect for boats and yachts, but it's also great for outdoor furniture and other fine wood. This tough formula handles even the toughest marine environments. Use it on your boat, deck, patio furniture, or any fine wood. It's a truly versatile solution for all your teak care needs. Cleaning, brightening, and oiling your teak has never been easier. Even beginners will achieve professional results with this simple process. It will revive old teak and provide long-lasting protection. Keep your teak looking beautiful for years to come. We use only the best, most advanced ingredients for maximum effectiveness. You'll see and feel the difference. Star Brite has been crafting quality products in the USA since 1973. You can trust in our commitment to quality and reliability. What we like. This kit has everything you need for complete teak care, and it's tough enough for marine use. If you need a comprehensive solution to restore and protect your teak, especially if it's exposed to harsh conditions, this kit is your best bet. The step-by-step process makes it easy to achieve professional results. What people say. Our boat deck has never looked better after we treated her with the cleaner than the oil from Star Brite. Looks brand new. All of the products in this kit worked great to restore an outdoor table and 6 chairs which almost look brand new again. The teak oil worked great and we even ordered a second bottle as the table still seems thirsty for it. Number 3. Star Brite 94932 Teak Cleaner. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. This cleaner brightens weathered teak with ease, saving you time and energy. Just one step to a renewed look. It's not just for teak. It's safe for all wood furniture, decks, and trim, delivering excellent results on various surfaces. Worried about damaging other materials? Don't be. It won't harm painted surfaces or fiberglass, making it a safe choice for any project. Simply apply it to dry wood, scrub gently, and rinse with water. It's that easy. Let it air dry for a beautiful finish. This product is manufactured in the USA, ensuring high-quality standards and superior performance you can trust. Even stubborn stains are no match. For severe stains, a second application or more thorough scrubbing may be needed for optimal results. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. It's the perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts wanting to restore their teak and other fine woods. What we like. It cleans and brightens your teak in just one step, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your teak without harsh chemicals, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want professional-looking results without the hassle. What people say. This teak cleaner works so well with little effort and it makes the wood bright and clean. It got years of mold and mildew off of my outdoor teak wood chair. Very easy to use and my chair looks beautiful. Can't go wrong with Brite products, I've used them for years. This teak cleaner and brightener is no exception. Just follow the instructions, most importantly, let it do the work. Easy to apply, have a rag handy. Cleans teak quickly and with little effort and a beautiful result. We have tried other cleaners, but this teak cleaner is superior. It is very easy to use and cleans the wood so well it looks like new. Number 2. Brite Teak Cleaner. Bring back the beauty of your teak furniture or boat decks. It effortlessly restores the original charm without sanding or pressure cleaning. Enjoy a simple application process. It requires minimal scrubbing, making the rejuvenation process easy. It's not only ideal for teak but also safe for all fine woods. It won't harm fiberglass or painted surfaces. It prepares your wood for oiling and sealing. This enhances its natural color and provides lasting protection. Effectively removes stains and weathering signs without raising the wood grain. It's perfect for restoring gray, weathered teak and other woods. Clean teak shower benches, decking, or boat diving platforms with ease. It's the fastest and easiest way to clean teak and all fine woods without harsh chemicals. Brite products have been proudly crafted in the United States since 1973, ensuring quality and reliability for your teak care needs. What we like. This cleaner is incredibly easy to use and safe for all types of wood. If you need a simple way to prep your wood for oiling and sealing, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to restore their teak without harsh scrubbing or complicated processes. What people say. One of the best products we found for cleaning our teak shower bench. Easily cleans off soap scum and other shower buildup when used on a regular basis. This product worked wonders on my teak table and chairs. I suggest using lots of water and a hard bristle cleaning tool. A little elbow grease goes a long way too. Our table and chairs look like new. The Brite cleaner did a good job of cleaning off the old finish. Number 1. Brite Teak Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to restore and protect your teak. It's a simple, 3-step process for amazing results. Say goodbye to hard scrubbing. It easily removes weathering and gray stains, making restoration a breeze. This brightener enhances the natural wood grain and evens out the tone, preparing the wood for oiling. Your teak will look brand new. The included oil penetrates deeply and contains UV inhibitors, protecting your teak from sun damage and dry rot for years to come. This kit contains everything you need to renew old teak or protect new teak. It's the complete solution for all your teak maintenance needs. It's perfect for all types of teak, from furniture and marine applications to garden furniture and more. It even works on other fine woods like acacia. Brite is a leading name in quality products, proudly made in the USA since 1973. You can trust it for superior performance. What we like. This complete kit makes restoring and protecting your teak a breeze. If you want a hassle-free way to revitalize your teak and keep it looking its best for years to come, this is the ultimate solution. It's great for those who want professional results without the professional price tag. What people say. I bought this to refinish the acacia wood Adirondack furniture on my screened porch. I also had to use some of the mold and mildew cleaner. They were in rough shape, but but the cleaner and brightener made the whole process much easier. I took everything apart and sanded it all down as well. I ended up applying 3-4 plus coats of oil. I guess my furniture was very thirsty, but the end result is beautiful. Definitely recommend. Pretty easy to use, and it made the swim platform on my boat look like new. It took almost all of the cleaner, 1/2 of the brightener, and about 1/8 of the oil, so I'll have to order more cleaner next spring, but should get 2 to 3 uses out of the brightener, and at least 4 or 5 uses out of the oil. The cleaner and brightener were enough for my 2 already prepped chairs, but if starting from scratch I bet you would need a pint for each chair. Since they were so dry from years of neglect, each chair required a full pint of teak oil. I gave each chair 3 liberal coats, allowing them to dry between coats. The icing on the cake was the teak oil. It really brought out the deep rich color of the wood, and, 3 months later, they still bead when wet and have the wet look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.